Good morning. Today is January 6th. I literally just woke up. It's 8 a.m. and the cleaners are coming to our house to clean our house like they do every other week. So I need to get packed up and get ready because they're going to be here any minute and they usually clean this room. So I just need to move all the stuff off my floor and then I will update the vlog here as we go. So it is about 30 minutes later and the cleaners are now cleaning our house and we are all just hanging out in the den waiting for them to be finished. And right now I'm gonna hop on my computer and I'm gonna do some work. I got a couple of responses for jobs that are coming up and potential interviews, so I'm gonna try and go through those emails real quick so I can hopefully nail down a job here after I come back from Arizona, and I will update the vlog here in a little bit. I got great news. I'm really excited. So just now in the last hour or two, I've been working on my computer and working on trying to get a job, and I was in contact with 3 different jobs and I just scheduled 3 different interviews for 3 different jobs. So I got Chipotle, Dutch Bros, which I've worked there before and it's like one of the best jobs I've ever worked. And then also I got an interview at Whole Foods too, which is another one that I'm super stoked about. I used to work at a grocery store when I was in Hawaii and when I was working in Maui, and I really loved it a lot and it was a really fun job. So I know that working at Whole Foods would also be really fun and it would be a really enjoyable job. I'm super stoked about the outcome of the job situation, and now I'm kind of switching gears. It is currently about 1:20 in the afternoon. Tomorrow I'm leaving for Arizona and I'm going to be in Phoenix area, or a little outside of Phoenix in Scottsdale, and I have my big ADHD appointment tomorrow that I was talking about in one of my other vlogs. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go research some of the different fun things that I can do with my mom while we're there in Scottsdale. So I just finished planning my mom and I's trip to Arizona and some of the fun things we're going to do over there. And then also I was working on my subscription sheet, and I have a really big spreadsheet that I use to track all of my finances and all of my money. So I was updating that because that's a huge part of my life. And I've been trying to get better with that in 2025. I'm going to take a break from working on my computer since I've been working all day, and I'm going to cook some dinner. So I'm going to cook these burgers. They're like bacon and cheddar burgers and they look delicious, so I'm gonna have those for dinner. So I just finished eating dinner and I just finished cleaning up the kitchen and doing the dishes, and now I need to start packing for our trip tomorrow. We leave tomorrow night at around 6 o'clock, so after dinner, so about 24 hours from now, but I'm still going to try and be ready ahead of time, and I'm going to start packing tonight so then I can be ready for our trip. Alright, so I just finished packing and I packed up all my stuff into this one backpack since we're just going to be gone for 2 days. And it is now 10:30, so I'm going to go to bed. But thank you so much for tuning in to my daily vlogs. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog heading to Arizona. I'll see you guys tomorrow.